Have you ever noticed how different you sound when you're trying to manifest something? It starts to feel like, I really hope this works out, or please let this happen, or I just need this one thing. There's almost a kind of begging in it, and most people don't even realize they're doing it. But here's something interesting. You don't do this anywhere else in your life. Like, for example, at work, you don't beg for things to happen. You don't say, please let this email go through, or I hope this project works out. You just state what needs to be done, you take the next step, and you expect movement. There's no bargaining, there's no convincing, there's just clarity. But sometimes when it comes to manifestation, that clarity often turns into hoping, pleading, trying to say things the right way. And underneath all of that, there's a subtle feeling of, this isn't mine yet, or I don't have control here, or something else decides if this happens. So instead of feeling grounded, it starts to feel desperate. And it's interesting how easily we can hold that kind of clarity in one area of our life, but completely lose it in another. What if the difference isn't in what you're asking for, but in how you're relating to it? Because when you beg, you're treating what you want like it's far away, like it has to be given to you. And when you are clear, well, there's a quiet sense of, this is possible, this is allowed, this is not forced, it's not chased, it's not even resisted. So the next time you notice yourself thinking, I really hope this works out, or please let this just happen, just pause and ask, why am I relating to this like I have to beg for it? Not to fix it, just to see. Because you don't need to convince anything, or you don't need to say it perfectly or bargain your way into what you want. Sometimes the shift isn't in asking better, it's in letting go of the idea that you have to ask at all. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to give the video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, please stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.